Alright, hey everybody. Sorry I'm a little late. I had some technical difficulties, but everything should be resolved. Oh, my webcam is way too bright. A little surprising to me because it's actually kind of gloomy outside right now, but anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. So, right now we're just trying to add more decoration to the terrain, and that required some upgrades to the map generation functions. Specifically, we wanted to add the ability to make the generation function asynchronous so that we can do pathfinding in the future. I'm not going to worry about completely updating the map generation code because, as I've said before, when Unity's new version comes out, I'm gonna like spend a lot of time updating almost the entire game to match the new entity component system, so no use trying to rewrite a bunch of stuff now, and especially since it's supposed to come out this month. But what I do want to do is at least kind of get the groundwork ready. And so I did something a little hacky where we just create another asynchronous controller in the map generation controller. It's a little wasteful because this one will just be disposed and a new one will be created almost immediately when we go to the play scene, but that's okay. So what I need to do here is in the map creator, it should now just send a new script to this Lua async controller. Oops. Yeah, my microphone filter has not been staying up lately, so I need to remember to check it more often. Oop, it just fell again. Okay, sorry about that. I think it's gonna be a little bit more stable now. Alright, oops, I just remembered I forgot to set something up on my bed. Very important to have our mascot visible. Well, my head's kind of hiding it, but anyway. Alright, okay. So what I want to do is I just need to call this function using the query from another script. And I think I'll just copy some other code around here. So do I need to use this manually run? I think so, because that's kind of weird, but... Oh, hey Ice Boy. I see you're here from your avatar. I'm glad you can make it again. How are you doing today? Okay, so what does the... Refresh the latest... Oh, I see. So we just don't want to call the script until after we've done something to it. I think otherwise it would start the call on the next frame, maybe. Good to hear that you're doing good. I'm doing good too. I think my cold is finally just about gone. I'm still coughing a bit, but it's much better. I mean, nose is much better than yesterday. Ready for the weekend though, of course. Okay, yeah, so if we don't call this manually start, it will just start on the next frame. That's fine with me. So right now we just call the script ourselves, but we'll want to change that. Yeah, definitely good. That old has stuck around for over a week. Okay, yeah, so we need to have a callback. Let's just create one here. Void on complete. And we don't really have to do anything special here because only one script will ever run at once, so. Okay, it needs, oh yeah, it has to have the return value and, okay, it does give us the index, or the script ID. Okay, and the first arguments is nothing, so I'll just pass dynamic value nil. And the function is this, the map generation function. Okay, and the debug name. Let's call it map generation function. Okay, so, and then all this will need to be moved to the onComplete function. Okay, I will need to handle exceptions somehow. Did I? Okay, I need to update that. Okay, so this board builder. Oh yeah, I was already looking at this. Like, I don't know if I need this because I already have this board generation class in the Lua interface. They kind of serve the same purpose. Oh yeah, if I have Steam, Crusader Kings 2 is free for a limited time. Yeah, I have that game already. It's actually, yeah, it's really good. So yeah, definitely if anybody doesn't have it, you should go pick it up. I think it'll be free until Monday, so. Okay, so board generation. Really what this does is just pass things into the builder, but I'm just curious, like, is this, this is just kind of a useless class. I guess the idea was that I didn't really want the Lua interface to store information. But I'm not sure if that's really a bad thing. confusing to me. I haven't played it before, but you think... Oh, until Saturday it's free. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of a complicated game. It takes a while to understand, but I'm a big strategy game fan, so it's my type of thing. Well, how do I... Like, most of the time the Lua interface doesn't actually store the information. It just kind of passes things along. For strategy games like Fire Emblem, yeah, that's another good one. A lot easier to get your head around. Here we go. Most of the stuff you can't actually set. I don't know, I don't think it really matters what I do here. I'm just trying to understand or decide if this board builder class is a useful thing to have. Because it seems like the Lua interface is just basically passing values to it directly. So why doesn't the Lua interface just store the information itself? Yeah, I think that's the main thing. So maybe I'll still use this board builder, but well, I'll just delete it for now. But the map creator class might create this board builder some other time to yeah, to basically pull this function out of this class. As a map creator class will handle, I think, the flow of like calling the script, but then it'd be nice if I had some other thing that would actually translate the what Lua's given us to the game logic board. So anyway, this board gen class is the Lua interface. Can I use... I don't know if a block or a board position is usable in a hash. Okay, I do have a get hash code, so it should be safe. Oh, it's just called a board position, isn't it? Okay, and the reason I store this in a dictionary instead of an index is because the dimensions of the map can change. So yeah, if we change the columns after we've set some blocks, then that would affect the indexes of the blocks. Although I guess we could just have it so that you can't set blocks or you can't change the dimensions after you set the blocks. That might be a better way to do it. That way I don't have to worry about hash codes. This isn't not implemented, this is just not supported. Finally, a village done. Oh, cool. On your RPG? Yeah, I know that feeling when you finish a big part of a game. It's really great satisfaction. Okay, so now I can just have the dimensions here. Okay, I'm just gonna store the dimensions in this vector 3. Oh right, and this active is not true anymore. So how I'll do this, I need to get the script state, and so I'll need to add another query in here. So is map gen disabled. Okay, so I'll just need to remember to pass that through. I guess I should do that now. So options equals allow map generation, and I think that's all we'll do for now. Oh, and it went ahead and added that for me. Yeah, in the future I do want to allow pathfinding, which I don't even have a option for that. It just assumes pathfinding is okay, but I don't actually support that yet. Uh-oh. Am I still alive? Usually when things like this happen, my computer